Their families were dying.
Ati rwose nazanye n'abasirikare tujyana mu bwato tumarana amezi ane ndi gukora ubushakashatsi bw'umuti ntari kubabwira ukuri ko hirya no hino imiryango yabo aho bayisize iri gupfa isi yatatswe n'icyorezo gikomeye.
I knew it and I wasn't allowed to breathe a word of it.
Ati kuko nanjye nifite itegeko ritanyemera kuba nahumeka n'ijambo na rimwe. Yamaranye amezi n'abasirikare bazi ko iwabo ibintu ari amahoro kumbi isi iri gupfa iri gushira. Babimenye nyuma ko uyu mugore yarabizi nawe babwira impamvu atamukunze mu bwato nyagiye kurya rye wenyine.
It's not all on you, you know.
Isn't it?
No.
Aramukomeza.
I'll see you later.
Tuze gusubira. Ikomerezana.
Boardroom. Save a spot for you.
Amba tuze basi kubona ninjoro nge dusangire kumbe uyu mukobwa Rachel Scott yagiye kurya rye wenyine. Ninjoro wazi kubona basangire.
We're headed to Costa Rica to try to find Dr. Scott some monkeys.
Tungu turi kwerekeza muri Costa Rica tugiye kujya gushimuta inkende. Sasa ngo yagenda yirikodinga amashusho avuga ibyo bagiyemo. Agaseka.
Picture y'all in my father's cabin.
Tungu ndi ukubona rwose umugore wanjye n'abana muri mu kazu ka papa.
The man, so you're probably just about ready to tear his head off by now.
Ganira ari kwifata amajwi. Ntazi nimba zanagerayo. Kongera kareba ifoto y'umugore we. Aho bari mu bibazo bikomeye. Sazi neza nimba umugore wakiri na muzima.
Not knowing what's going on in the outside world, wondering
Sinzi biri kujya mbere aho hanze ku isi.
when we come home,
nitugera mu rugo
what we'll be coming back to.
nawe ntazi neza ko bizamera. Ntazi nimba n'uwazasangayo hari uko manzi. We
To disturb you.
ndakuvangiye se.
We're picking up all kinds of distress signals coming out of Costa Rica, especially outside Limon.
What kind of distress?
Ati tumaze gukora ubushakashatsi tumenya ko ino Costa Rica turi kugenda dusatira ifite ibibazo bikomeye cyane. Sazo bari bagiye muri Costa Rica basanze ngo ari ibibazo bikomeye.